Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to create a checklist template in settings and add those so you can use them in the future. You are going to go to settings over here on the right and templates and reports. Go over and click checklist templates. Here you have lots in here, but you are able to add or import them. So you can add them manually. You can add the name. You're going to click save. And then here you're going to put the code in the description. And then press save and next. Then you are able to add the checklist items. Here, all of your codes will pop up for the sections, and you can put the description. And the order number. Then you can press save. Then press save, and they have been added. You are also able to import these checklist templates. You're going to name the imported one and choose your file. This is an example of the checklist template from Sage. Here are the numbers and the descriptions that you have. You can download this file and use it. Here, you're going to choose your downloaded file. Click Open. And this will tell you how many imports were successful and the total records of the amount that's on your checklist. Now, to get access to these checklist templates, Sage has a lot of them. You're going to go to this little question button up here. Sometimes you have to hit it twice. Go to the search bar and type in checklist. So here are a lot of options, and go to the importing checklist from Microsoft Excel. Here are all of the samples that you have access to use, and the required fields that must be filled in, which is the number and the description. You can use these and change them a little bit so you can make them your own, and then import them.